PT exam vocabulary is a tricky thing, but without it, you can never succeed in the PT reading module, that's for sure. Better than the guesswork and relying on your gut feeling in the exam. It's better to learn the vocabulary related to the PT exam with these 5 genius tricks that will boost your vocabulary skills. So many people and viewers are already getting better in their vocabulary and in their reading module. The comments never stop coming at our channel. You can see for yourself, but you do need to watch this video right till the end. Hey everyone, this is Anurag here from Edutrainex PTE. I hope you all are doing great. Just by watching our vocabulary monthly videos, what we make on the most repeated vocabulary words of the PT reading module, many people are already seeing a huge boost to their reading scores. Now we have made it even easier. Now we are providing you the word list, the spelling list, the prediction file, the templates, all packaged in different types of memberships. The priority will give you the prediction files, whereas if you want more like the word list, spelling list, then you can join our YouTube VIP membership. But the catch here is that I will give you 5 genius tricks to improve your vocabulary. On top of it, you already have the vocabulary videos, and if you are one of our members, you also get the vocabulary list. Our students are following this 5 tips that I'm going to share with you and religiously, and you can see their scores. We are sharing it in our post from a time to time basis. They are all improving in the reading. And if you think you are still lost and not able to prepare for the PT exam, you can WhatsApp us, where we will provide you coaching, unlimited classes, app access, templates, everything. Whatever resources you need, we will provide it to you right till the end. So like and subscribe, and let's start watching the tips, the tricks related to how you can improve your vocabulary, and thereby you will improve your reading and other modules as well, guaranteed. Now, before I give you the vocabulary tricks, I just wanted to show you one of the questions. This is the exam questions, and again, as I told you before, it is there in the prediction file. You can check it if you are a member. But if you're not, then you can watch it here. Try to attempt this question before I actually start giving you the expert tricks. If you don't have a good vocabulary skill, that means you will struggle to attempt to this type of question. All the reading fill in the blanks questions, half of them you can straight away solve using the grammar technique. Grammar always helps, even in this type of question, but you still need to know the meaning of the words so that you pick the correct word that fits the context, meaning, and collocation, everything together. Okay, you may pause the video and try to attempt this question. You can comment your answers in the comment box below. But now I'll give you, if you were not successful, that means you definitely require something to boost your vocabulary. And what is that? The first one is the focus technique. How we focus is the same video that I told you, the monthly vocabulary videos. I give you the words, not only the words, I give you the type of the words, I give you the collocations of the word, and these are the words that have been appearing in the exam repeatedly. Again, as I told you, if you want to boost this type of preparation on a further level, you can become our member, where we give you the whole word list of the reading fill in the blanks words and the reading writing fill in the blanks words, around 800, 900 words, all the words that have appeared in the exam in the last couple of months. Okay, that will boost your vocabulary to the next level. And again, we not only cover the word or their meaning, but we also give you the word type, the common collocations that go along with it. If you don't have that much budget, you can rely on the technique that I shared with you, but at least do something towards improving your skills. Okay. The next one is also prediction questions, prediction files, wherever you can get hand to it. Even it is available with us in our membership plans. Wherever you can get this question, don't just look at the question, look at the words that are appearing there. Sometimes what they do in the PT exam is they will give you same words in different questions, and if you don't know the same word meaning in different questions, then you can not solve any of those questions. This is that serious that I'm telling you. And if you know that word, and even if it appears anywhere in any type of question, you will know what to do with that word. You will know the precise meaning of the word and how to use the word collocations as well. So this is the first thing that you need to do. The second thing that you need to do is also go through, at least don't just look at the latest monthly videos that I share with you. Look at the last at least 6 months. 6 months will give you around 250 words altogether. There are even more videos. And as I tell you, vocabulary is never bad. If you add more words to your vocabulary, it's always good. So it's free. Just we have a playlist dedicated to vocabulary and the spellings. So just go and start having a look at it. Okay, so this is provide you a great improvement in your knowledge, and As I said, you can see from our comments that viewers who have been doing this already have seen a major boost in their reading scores. Definitely works. So it will give you a strong boost, as the slide says, strong boost. It will definitely give you a strong boost to your reading scores. Our students have been using the same technique, live class students have been using the same techniques, but over there, we are there to help them to a further level to understand how to use them in the questions. But if you are relying on the videos or doing it by yourself, then you need to be careful how you are learning the words, how you are implementing the words. Okay, now we can do that exam question that I showed you on the first screen before we start talking about it. Now, if I tell you that if you have done those two things that I talked about before, gone through the words that I keep sharing with you, the importance of it. Now, if you know those words from the last 6 months, what I've been sharing with you, you will know the meaning of difficult words like delving, words like indigenous, promising, exploring, fighter, making. The other words are quite easy. So it's not that always you will get complex words. There is no such rule. Okay. So many questions will have so easy words, but some questions will have tricky words as well, like this. Not very common words, right? And many of you will not know what to do with this. So what can we do with this? Now, if we know the meaning of the words, then we are one step closer. Of course, grammar is going to help you. So the first one is a landmark ethnobotanical study recently uncovered the use of a previously unknown medicinal plant among dash tribes. Dash tribes. Now, if you have been studying with us the grammar rules, what I keep sharing with you on the YouTube, several different types, including the shortcuts. What do you know about this? This is a noun, and what describes a noun is adjectives. So we are looking for adjectives, and I have been telling you that words, verbs, especially verbs ending with ing or ed can also be used as adjectives. However, let's examine which words are originally adjectives here. So if I say over here promising, can be an adjective, yes. Indigenous, definitely adjective, ending with ous, following the pattern of the adjective as well. Delving can also be used, exploring can also be used, but let's look at the meaning now. Indigenous means someone or some people who have been living on a particular piece of land from a long time, kind of owners of the land. Okay, so among dash tribes in the Amazon, so they are talking about some tribes that have been living there for a long time. Now, promising tribes is not making sense. Exploring tribes is not making sense. Indigenous tribe will make sense if you know the meaning. Straight away, you will go for this one as the answer, and that is the answer. Next one, researchers collaborating with the tribes are now dash into the plant's potential, are now doing something. Are after I, what did I tell you in the grammar shortcut video? After R, ing words can come, right? So we have to look for ing words. So many of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Delving into plant's potential, making into plant's potential, promising, or exploring. Now, if you know the meaning of delving, you know what to do with this. Delving is looking inside, looking in detail, delve into the past, like burrowed the past out. Okay, so that's the word, and that's what they are doing. Researchers are now delving into the plant's potential, finding out what traditional knowledge they can get from it, respecting the traditional knowledge while dash its application in modern science. Okay, so if you see the grammar pattern over here, respecting the traditional knowledge while dash its application in modern science. Again, ing word is required here. So what do you think context wise? Promising its application, making, or exploring its application? They are trying to find out, study something, so they are exploring, right? So apply the meaning, apply the grammar, both works very nicely together. And the last one, the plant which the tribes call Yakumama has shown dash. Has shown, if you don't know the grammar, after has always verb 3 will come. Has shown dash anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties in preliminary tests. So what are we trying to do? We are trying to amplify this anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties in preliminary test. So they are promising, they have shown promising results. You are showing promising results. In this case, promising is used as an adjective to, as I said, to identify the degree of these medical properties over here, microbial properties, or in the preliminary tests. So adjective, there is not just one adjective we can use with a noun. We can use multiple adjectives. example, if I say he is an intelligent man, if I say he is very intelligent man, okay, then I can use very additional adjective over there, or I can use adverbs also there. Highly intelligent man. Okay, so that's how you can add more degrees of description when you are describing the noun. The next thing, very, very important, best habit for the PT reading is always, if you develop the love for books. Okay, books are your best friends. You remember your teachers must have been telling you this when you were small. That's exactly correct. Even we do when we see small children. Go and read. Go and read. Why? Because when we read, we find new words, we learn about them, and when we repeatedly use, we understand. It gets ingrained, inbuilt in your brains forever if you do a lot of reading. Grammar patterns, vocabulary words, everything will start becoming visible to you, and without even doing any other thing, your English language will improve. But don't just keep reading, because now you have passed the stage where you can only rely on reading. Now you also need to do the other things that I've told you. Now this, if you begin very, very early, like let's say a couple of years before you actually want to give the PT exam, migrate there, but no one has that much liberty to plan ahead, right? So what we do is we look at where we are currently. Whatever done in the past is past. Don't look at that, and don't even regret about what happened in the past. So look at the present, what you are today. How much I need to improve, and what can I do to improve? Of course, these are the techniques you have to improve, and this will require your time. So don't tell me again, sir, I don't have time. I'm very busy with family, with my job. You need to find time, my friend, either in the morning, afternoon, while traveling, wherever. Read books, read articles. I always give you one website where the Pearson extract the materials from, right? ScienceDaily.com. How many times have I told you that? Do a lot of reading. And then if you can, also learn the new words and maintain a word list. So it will grow eventually from time to time. Initially you will have only 5 words, then you keep on adding new words, and then it will grow. And then you will start identifying the synonyms as well. Oh, this word has the same meaning to this, so we can use it in each other's place. So those are what? Synonyms. So that will develop your overall English. No matter what anyone says, reading is 100% guaranteed to improve. But it takes a little bit of time. So you have to utilize the other things also that we are sharing with you. And then what you need to do is practice with deep diving. What is deep dive? I'm not asking you to jump in the sea or jump in the water. What I'm saying is when you are practicing the questions, don't move to the next question until you understand the question thoroughly. Why this word was the answer. Don't go to the next question until you understand grammar wise as well as meaning wise. And then if you still have doubts, you research on Google how to use this word, why this is better than this word, in what situation we use this word, in what situation we use that word. That will also develop your knowledge to a great deal. So many people either do this way or they do that way, but definitely this also works. So you do practice questions, but everywhere you have to keep on improving. Your target should be to improve, and this is how you improve if you deep dive. Okay, so identify the type of word, grammar, and then usage of words, the meaning of the words, the collocation of the words is vocabulary. Okay, everything is related to vocabulary. Let's do another question. Let's do another question and then see whether you have got the knowledge or not. Now whether we can see this or solve these exam questions together or not. I will tell you the meaning of the words so that I can make it easier for you, because maybe you don't have that much word power till now. But of course, as I told you, start watching the vocabulary videos, get the vocabulary list, get the prediction file, keep everything together for you, and then start working on it. Other than that, reading, deep diving, everything also needs to happen. Okay, so the first one, envision. I will tell you the meaning of these words, some of the difficult words. Envision means to see in the future, imagine what is going to happen, like prediction. Someone having the ability to see in the future, or at least imagine. Okay, so you can predict something. Oh, exam is going to change, so that maybe you are envisioning something. So that is the word meaning. Renowned means famous. Okay, involved means you are involved in something, you are added to something and you are doing something, so you are involved. It means to cause harm to someone. Okay, so someone was mauled physically, they were beaten, so that is what maul means. Appalled means, appall in the simple present tense verb form is meaning you are shocked. You are shocked, surprised, afraid, kind of a mixture of that. Appalled. Expression is like this. Oh, appalled, shocked. Could be in awe, could be in fear, could be in happiness as well, but you are shocked. So that's what these word meanings are. Now let's try to solve this together. It will be 100% easier for you. Let's see. A new book titled A Smaller World features vivid illustrations by dash artists. By dash artists. After by, ing or nouns will come. Of course, noun is there. By dash artists. What is artist? Noun. And what can come before nouns? Adjectives, isn't it? So that's what is required. We need an adjective by dash artists. I already told you ed words, ing words, they can be used as adjectives. And as we see, so many are ed words, so many are looking like verb 3. Even envision, that is a verb. So I need an adjective. How do I fit that? So must be one of them is going to fit there. Renowned artists. I told you famous people are called as renowned. Renowned means you are famous or you are very popular among whatever community you are doing the work. Renowned artist is fitting the meaning. Okay. And it is used as an adjective, so that becomes the first answer. The next one. The book presents futuristic scenarios where nanotechnology revolutionizes medicine alongside detailed explanations of the science dash. Of the science dash. So what is it talking about? The book presents futuristic scenarios. Nanotechnology revolutionizing medicine alongside detailed explanations of the science that was involved in it, isn't it? The science that was in it, that's what I want to say. Science that was involved, science involved, not given, not more. Is not even making sense, right? There is no talk related to mauling someone, right, or physically causing harm to someone. Its striking visuals help readers dash a future where tiny machines treat diseases at a cellular level. Now, this is talking about something, a book written in the past, and then it is talking about something that the book sees in the future. What is the word? Envision. That is the word that you're looking for. And if you know the word meanings, then it becomes a lot simpler for you, right? Grammar can help you. Absolutely, in reading fill in the blanks, grammar always help. But again, even after grammar helping you, you still need to use the correct word that fits the meaning. So it's 1 plus 1 is always 2. One is grammar, the second one is vocabulary. If grammar has already helped you, you can shortlist from the list of words. But if you don't know the word meanings, then again there will be 50-50 chance whether you get it right or not. So that's why I keep telling you, don't work in one area, work in multiple areas. Okay, do your grammar, do your vocabulary, do a lot of reading, do deep dive in the questions, everything that I told you, and you are bound to improve. You will definitely improve. Trust our techniques and then you start doing it. If you don't do it, then you can challenge us. Oh, sir, your methods are not working. We have shown you dozens of comments in the past related to vocabulary, reading scores, and these are all from viewers who are just watching the videos, doing the questions on their own, haven't even studied with us. Whereas if you look at our students, the ones who started with 50s when they joined, now they have already transitioned into 70s score within a span of 30 days. So what we do in the classes is something higher level than what we can do on YouTube, because we interact with you, we guide you. That's what is the power of the live classes as well. So if you are interested in the live classes, do WhatsApp us, get in touch with us. We'll provide you unlimited classes with one cost, app access, templates, all resources given to you. Or even if you're looking for monthly packages, just say it. So you do this, whatever we have told you, the prediction file, join our membership plans, get the resources what you need at the minimum cost, how much ever budget you have, and then you will be 100% successful. That's for a guarantee. And now if you haven't watched the video that I gave last week related to the 5-stage approach for reading fill in the blanks, then you should go and watch it now. Keep watching Edutrainex and I will soon be back with another super informative video on PT topics. See you soon.